Let's say that you have identified keyword for your business and you have optimized your website around those keywords. What if due to your site design, those pages are not accessible to the search engines? Unless you have made sure that all the pages of your site are accessible to the search engines, all your optimization efforts will not give much value. My name is Deepa Maran. As a person heading our SEO technical team here, I would like to talk about some of the issues we see in the websites on how those issues can be resolved. The first one is about due to navigation. Some webmasters code the drop-down menu in the navigation with JavaScript. Search engines have a hard time reading JavaScript and hence won't be able to access the links that are coded in JavaScript. In that case, you can try to see if you can achieve the same drop-down effect with HTML and CSS. Or if that is not possible, make sure that all those pages are coded in regular HTML code from some other section of your website, say the footer of your website. And the next, or you can use a sitemap page to list all pages of your site and tell the search engines take all the pages from here. And sitemap also helps you to achieve the effect of all the pages are accessible from the home page within 2 clicks away from it. And recently, all the 3 search engines, Google, Yahoo and MSN, have agreed with the sitemaps protocol through which you can tell search engines what are the pages available in your site that are accessible to the search engines. And the other issue that we are seeing is having pages behind registration. Some sites have some valuable pages that are only available to the users only after they register into the site. Search engines cannot register into the site and hence cannot reach those pages. So you can provide some workarounds to circumvent this situation. For example, if you have white papers that are behind registration, you can have an abstract of that white page and tell the search engines and to non-registered users what that white paper is about. And Google News provides solutions like first click free or subscription designation for sites, especially for news sites that have all the pages behind registration. And another issue we are seeing is having URL with too many parameters. This is especially valid for e-commerce sites and sites that have dynamic URLs. If your CMS is going to create a URL with too many parameters, try to see if you can fix your CMS to create only less parameters, or if not, you can use URL rewrites or 301 redirect to have URL with less than 3 parameters, because search engines are most likely to access the pages with less than 3 parameters. And the next issue is due to robots.txt file. Robots.txt file is a powerful tool through which you can tell the search engines what can and cannot, what sections of your site search engines can and cannot index in your website. But some webmasters accidentally, instead of blocking only one page of your site, they will accidentally block the whole files from that particular folder. Google Webmaster Tool provides an analysis tool to make sure that robots.txt file is working correctly. Speaking of Google Webmaster Tool, it also lets you see how Google accesses and indexes your site, and it will report specific problems Google has in accessing your site so that you can address those issues and fix those issues. Now, you have made sure that your navigation is working properly and all your pages are accessible to the search engines, and you are providing abstract for the white pages, and you have taken care of robots.txt, and you are constantly checking Google Webmaster Tool to make sure that Google and other search engines don't have problem indexing their site. The next step is how to make sure the search engines can read your website correctly. We'll talk about it in the next video.